Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
61. There are lots of different kinds of religion groups in the world, and one of them decided that they would adopt the motto, "There are no problems. There are only opportunities." People think too much about difficulties which prevent them from doing good deeds, they said, and not enough about things that help them to do them. Once this group was having a big conference in a hotel, when one of the members came up to the conference inquiries desk and said to the girl behind it, "Excuse me, miss, but I have a problem." The girl pointed to the motto, and said to the man, "No, sir, you haven't got a problem. You only have an opportunity." The man smiled patiently at her and answered, "Well, you can call it whatever you like, but there's a young woman in the room I was given when I arrived 20 minutes ago." Find out the best title for the story.
If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.